What's going on, guys? Coming to the video here. So here I have the Ford Maverick. We're going to install the tailgate assist, so that way when we're carrying stuff, we open the trunk, it's not going to fall down. This will make it slower. So here are the parts. So what we're going to do first, we're going to have our T50 right there. Take this bolt out. So this does not come out like that unless if you take this clip out. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna install this bracket right here. Install it there. And then we're gonna reconnect this. All right, now we're gonna grab this bracket here, put our screw in, and then so it was saying to have this little notch facing this plate. So I'm gonna install it there. And this part was tricky. You see a little notch, we got to put it in the hole. Once it's in, you want to have that separation with the bracket, the screw, and a little nut with the notch on it. So the way, as you can see here, I put it in, I turn it, and it caught on, and from there on, just tighten it. There we go. That was like a pain to do. So it's like the little notch has to be like upright, and you got to pull this out and tighten it down. So it definitely took a little bit of play, but no, it's in there really good. So we do got to take this bottle opener out, or this tie down, strap down out, because it will interfere with the shock. It will interfere where the tailgate will not it will not close. So it's two T30s nuts to take these out. So we're gonna do when you have this one, this part's gonna be on top. So connect that in. There we go. Then we gotta pull this down. Probably lift this up a little bit. So for here, what I did, lift this up, brought this down here and tried to curve it in, get this aligned, and then boom. And that's it. Now let's check it out. All right, now let's check it out. Everything's installed. I'm not sure to take this out, because if not, they don't interfere with the shock. Close pretty nicely. Beautiful. And that's how you install a tailgate assist on a Ford Maverick.